Hello, I do this video to review a K-Snake keypad. It's called a KM320, maybe? I didn't remember, and it has some problem in there. Okay, I will check the keycap. This have the punch or something like that. You see? Okay, and the LED just have a two mode. A first mode is up, and the second mode is on, like this. That's okay. I think it's not a big problem because this keypad is so cheap. You can see in any keycap it have a D-bond. It's really good, right? So but in that keycap it have problem in is the L. In the L is not the punch. Okay, let me see. If I enter is K keycap, you see it's return, right? It's return again and another, but in the L, see it's have trouble on that. I hope that shop can help me, maybe give me an idea to fix this or change another keypad to me. Thank you very much. That's it.